Hey guys, welcome to another session. So let's discuss about how in today's project. Okay, so whatever we have learned. So here I have created a Jupyter notebook, so it will be easy for you guys for understand the flow. Okay, so what is included? It's project overview. Okay, architecture deep dive. Okay, then we'll start with the environment setup and dependency, AI agent analysis. Okay, task pipeline, custom tools. Okay, crew orientation. Then from UI perspective, Streamlit interface. Example of testing, customization guide, how we can modify and extend the system, performance metrics, security, best practice, learning resources, additionally, whatever we have. Okay, so those things, and here is that I have included the key features of the notebook, all those things. Okay, and how to use the notebook, all those details. It's available into the Jupyter notebook. So let's deep dive into the Jupyter notebook. So yeah, I have kept this Jupyter notebook along with the main app, whatever given by Sudhanshu, right? So it's there, everything. So I have created a project overview, and here is the project structure, how it will be. Okay, so how will start your environment. So here is the API key details, everything is there. Then you require dependency, what is required, right? Okay, then here you will deep in this code, here you'll deep dive into AI agent and understand the agent architecture. And if you go down, then agent roles and backstories, how it's defined. Okay, all those things. Then different agent, all these different tasks definition, everything is mentioned here. So the here is the things, whatever you can whatever things you will be able to see, those things you can print it. And here is the dependency flow, how it's going to happen, right? And here is the custom tool for file processing, either it's docx file, text file, .md file, or PDF file, anything. So those things. Then file is the tool implementation, so it will read and those things. So I have given some sample text as well. Okay, and then here is your crew orientation, how it's going to happen. Okay, then crew execution process. Okay, so how those things. So here is the given the time limit, all those things as well. Okay, here you will come with your Streamlit web interface, right? Then if you go down, here is the app of simulation, how it's going to work, all those things, all the details is given here. Here is the your testing and examples of the sample input. Okay, so based on that, you can definitely test your app. Okay, and here is the step by step, how you launch the process, all those things. Okay, then customization and extension, all those details. So if you scroll down this IPNB file or Jupyter notebook, then definitely it will be able to understand step by step how your process is getting executed. Okay, then here is the security stuff we have added, right? And here are a couple of the learning resources, those who have doubt about the, and those who wants to learn about the little on Streamlit. Yes, you can go through this link. Here is the CrewAI documentation. Here is the OpenAI API, how we can create all those things, right? Yeah. And here I have given the total conclusion, project summary, impact, everything. Okay. So yeah, so if you follow this, definitely it will help you to understand the flow. And let me know in the group if you guys have any question. Definitely, I'll be ready to help you guys. So thank you, and share this link to all of our friends so it will be easy for them to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.